Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your ADP Payroll account. ADP is an American provider of human resource management software and services. It offers industry-leading online payroll and HR solution, plus tax, compliances, benefits, administrations, and much more. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To log into your ADP Payroll, open up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top of the screen, type in www.adp.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of ADP, which looks like this. If you'd like to log into your account, you'll need to find the sign in button that appears at the top right hand corner and give it a click. Now, if you'd like to view your pay stubs, enroll for benefits, or simply access your account, you'll need to go ahead and select the option that describes you the best. Select any one option from the drop-down and click the next button. Now, type in your user ID in the first text box that appears in the sign-in area. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click the Remember My User ID box beneath. But if you are using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security. In case you've forgotten your user ID detail, you can click on this Forgot Your User ID link beneath the next button, follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your user ID. If you're not enrolled into ADP Payroll yet, you can click on the Create Account button below and follow the registration process. After you're done typing in a valid user ID, you can click the next button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see a password button popping up right beneath. Type in your password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After you're done entering your credential and you're ready to log into your account, hit the sign in button in blue, and that is how you'll be able to access your ADP Payroll account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.